Today is today is May 16th, I believe. And then they're running the shuttle from, see, this is May 9th, May because of MassDOT bridge work. And it turns out there's multiple companies helping out for this one. This is here North Station. This is the express, where the express buses are going. Yeah, Dynamic Travel goes from Orlando, Florida, helping out. We got Yankee bus lines, DATCO's helping out. So there's a whole bunch of companies from different states helping out. That's cool. I honestly thought it would have just been Yankee doing it, but that's interesting. So they got buses from all over. That's pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome. That's a brand new right there, the CX45 model right here. That's pretty chill. And I believe they got buses from Maryland too, or something like that. Got buses from all over. There's a Mercedes Tourer. I believe this is a 2025 model. This bus came from Texas right here. This is a J4500. I wonder what company this is. I really do wonder which company this is. Never heard of it. Can't see the name on the side though. Sure we can't see the name on the side. That's a nice looking coach though. Transportation. EJZ Transportation. Yo, that's nice. Then I got this Temsa over here. I've never been on a Temsa TS45 bus. That's what this model is right there. That looks nice. I don't know what company this is from. Oh, they're from Texas. Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool. Dynamic Travel Tours 918. That's a whole bunch of buses from Dynamic Tours and Transportation. Well, Orlando, Florida now, so they got everybody out here helping out. That is awesome. That is sick, bro. Look at this. Multi-state effort. And then on weekends, they be having the MBTA buses help out. They got Paul Revere helping out too. So it's a combination of buses, combination of like different vehicles helping out. That's hella awesome. Wow, look at that. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Everybody out here.